Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be based on hyaluronic acid and whether it is doing more damage to your skin than good. If this is your first time to my channel, all my videos are based on beauty and skincare. I mainly talk about the Body Shop products because I am a Body Shop at home consultant, but everything that I talk about is genuinely of my own opinion. So if that is your thing, please hit the bell, hit subscribe so you don't miss a thing. So let's just get started. So hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid, firstly, I'm sure many of you know, but just in case you don't, it is a humectant, which means that it is going to draw moisture from anywhere it can to plump up your skin. If you're putting the hyaluronic acid on your skin, it retains water, which sounds absolutely amazing. But what I think that you have to be careful with is, although it's drawing water from everywhere, hopefully the air, it can also draw water from the depths of your skin to plump up the surface of your skin, which is drawing moisture away from those new skin cells that are just being born that will eventually end up on the surface of your skin, which you don't necessarily want. So I think there is a way in how to use hyaluronic acid to get the best results. I don't think it's doing more damage to your skin than good, but I think it is important to use it correctly, and that's what I'm going to show you here. So I have literally just washed my face. I've used my vitamin E cream cleanser and I wash it off. And normally I would leave my face quite damp, but it has dried off where I was doing the video. So, but what I have here is just some water. So I'm just actually going to just pat that water onto my skin. So my skin still has that nice dampness that it had when I first washed my skin. I'm then going to apply my homemade vitamin C toner. I do make my own vitamin C toner. I am going to be trying out a few soon though, because I've got my eye on a, I think it's called Face Theory. So I'm going to be trying that out. But this is my own homemade 20% vitamin C, because that is the maximum percentage that you should have with your vitamin C. It won't work better if you have it stronger, and it's just most effective at 20%. So I've just put on my lovely vitamin C toner. It does tingle a little bit, and you do have to be careful. You can start, if you haven't used vitamin C before, you can start with a lower percentage. So now my face is nice and damp. This first product that I'm going to put on does have hyaluronic sodium in, and that is part of the family of the hyaluronic acid. I think it's got a lower molecule weight, which means that it can absorb into the skin deeper. This essence will help the active ingredients of the next product absorb deeper into my skin. But I also think, because it's like a liquid, a gel, I feel like it also gives the hyaluronic acid in the next product something to cling on to, water to absorb into the hyaluronic acid of the next product, if that makes sense. So just to clarify why I left my face damp, or re-dampened my face, and then put on my homemade toner, which is also water, that is basically giving the hyaluronic sodium stroke acid in the Drops of Youth essence something to hold on to, something. It's giving it water to plump up my skin, rather than dragging moisture from the depths of my skin to plump up the surface. So what I do is I don't let it dry off at all, because it's just going to evaporate off of your skin if you let it dry off. So this is the Drops of Youth concentrate, and this is the concentrated ingredients of the Drops of Youth, which is powered by plant stem cells, but also this hyaluronic sodium. So again, I'm just smoothing that all over my skin. It feels so gloriously hydrating. I like to feel like a wet frog when I do my skincare, and this is how I'm feeling right now. So again, this is drawing moisture from the dampness that I applied on my skin, this amazing essence that helps the actives in this absorb deeper into the skin, but also it's giving the hyaluronic sodium in this something to plump up the skin with. So my next product, again, it also has hyaluronic acid. This is my amazing vitamin E cream by the Body Shop. I just love this. These products just make your skin feel like it's having an amazing drink. So again, I don't let the layers sink in. I just want to really lock in the hydration with this moisturizer and seal it all in like so. And don't forget your neck area as well, because it is your thinnest skin and it will age the fastest. So you want to make sure, and you really want to go down sort of in between your chest as well, and just really make sure every area is completely hydrated, because the skin is really thin here as well. So you just want to make sure. And what I will probably do is I will let that sink in a little bit more now, and I will probably add in an extra layer of that. I'm also going to add my amazing eye cream. So I'm loving this Drops of Youth Bouncy Eye Mask. Some dermatologists say that you don't need a separate eye cream for your eyes, and you may not, but since I've been using this, I have to say my makeup doesn't crumble around my eyes. It doesn't go flaky, and it just keeps it super hydrated, and I do feel like it helps my fine lines. I really do. At night I pair it with the Drops of Youth Eye Concentrate as well, so I layer the skincare products. And I think again there's something to be said for layering the skincare, because it just gives the products something to, I just feel like it just locks in that hydration. And if any of the products do have hyaluronic acid in, like I say, it will give the next product something to use, some water to absorb into the hyaluronic acid, or for the, it will, I can't get my words out, it will give the, it gives the hyaluronic acid some water to suck up into the hyaluronic acid, which will then plump up your skin. So my skin is feeling gloriously hydrated. What I will be putting on as well is my SPF, but with SPF, that is the one thing that you don't want to put on wet skin, because it can compromise how effective the SPF is. So you want to make sure your skin is dry. So I will wait for all of my other products to sink in fully before I apply my SPF. This one, actually, this Body Shop Skin Defense doesn't have hyaluronic acid in actually as well. It's enriched with vitamin C, which will help brighten your skin. Other Body Shop Skin Defense Essence, the new one, is enriched with hyaluronic acid, but I still would put that on dry skin. But hopefully where you've done your whole skincare routine, when it will hopefully add moisture from that into the hyaluronic acid, and also from the air around you. So I really hope that was helpful, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give the video a like. It really helps out my videos. Hit the bell so you don't miss any of the videos, and hit subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.